Well, welcome back to this week's Bailey Built. We're back with another tool review. It's one that you requested there on the channel, and it is the V20 brushless angled nailer. Now, this one is battery operated and works on the Craftsman V20 series. I've got my unboxing knife. Let's get to it. The Craftsman V20 Angled Framing Nailer is the latest in a line of battery-operated nailers from Craftsman. The box indicates the nailer comes with a brushless motor and it shoots 21-degree round head nail. Now, the unit comes with a 3-year warranty. The label on the side indicates it's sold as a tool-only package. Batteries and chargers are sold separately. This nailer is also VersaStack compatible. After slicing open the package, you can see the gun was well packed. Additional cardboard inserts protect the nail gun's nose and another at the bottom of the bank where the nails are fed. Beyond the nail gun, there is only a manual. Remember, this is a tool-only package. Looking over the gun, it has a similar look to Craftsman's other nail guns in the V20 series. There are a few things that make this one different. A sticker on the nail slot loader reminds you that it only accepts 21-degree nails. There is a red tab inserted in the nail track indicating which direction the staggered nail track is to be fed. An Allen tool for servicing the gun also comes attached. A label attached to the side indicates the acceptable length and diameter of nails that can be used. It also indicates in bold, no oil should be used on this tool. The lock on this model has been moved to the side of the grip. Simply push it to unlock. This was a nice improvement from the previous models where the lock was hidden inside the handle's grip. Another improvement was the belt clip. Not only was it already attached, but it also swivels, making for easy storage on your belt or the VersaStack Wall system. I'll add a link to that in the description below. When it comes to the nails, Craftsman makes a nail box, but where I went, it wasn't available. So I opted for the Metabo nails in its place. Once again, selecting the nails, double check the nail's length and diameter to make sure that your nails will work with this gun. Loading the nails into the gun was fairly simple. Pull back the gray lever, drop the nails in the track, and then release the levers to lock them in. The gray wheel depth gauge allows you to choose how deep or shallow you want the nail head to go in. The gun is also equipped with a jam release lever on top, as well as an LED light indicator in the back when there's a jam inside the gun. And of course, don't forget, you'll need to purchase your own battery if you don't already have one. Firing the nail gun initially was a little awkward, partly because I hadn't used an angled nailer before. The gun also felt a little top-heavy. The second pass, I made sure to firmly grip the gun and also made sure the tip fully made contact with the material. This gave me much better results. The nail gun's motor continuously runs after the initial firing. This allows you to do the continuous bump fire technique should you desire. You will need to keep the trigger depressed for it to work. All right, well, after getting a chance to check out the framing nailer, it definitely works pretty well. And yeah, you could use it on some larger projects with framing up some boxes or even doing things around your house like adding on a room or adding on a wall. this would definitely do the job. Now, I will tell you, it runs on the same battery system. It does tend to be a little heavier than the other guns from Craftsman that we have reviewed, but of course, it does carry, of course, a little bit more power, and that continuous motor is pretty nice, so you can still get that rapid fire that you would get with a framing nailer that's pneumatic and runs on air. Of course, if you love this tool review and others, all you have to do is click that like button or smash subscribe to stay up to date on the latest from Bailey Belt. For now, take care.